coughs when he's on camera. The minute he's off camera, he stops coughing. Anyways, he's going to try the black hole. So, I don't actually know what it is he's got to do, but we're going to find out here. All right, Raven Bones, go for the black hole. He's got to do a spinner. He's trying to say, what was that?
He didn't pull it back hard enough. He got 40.
Yeah, pull back real hard there, looks like. Oh, by the way, they have an arcade game that you can win here. That big one. 80,000 tickets. Oh, that gave him some incentive.
Oh, he's too fast. Too powerful.
He was so overwhelmed when I told him about a prize he could win.
He kind of went
right off the mat.
He's gonna try again.
There goes.
Oh, 70 though.
There was a little wimpy on it.
You got 70 though.
Mine won't work, will it?
No. We need to go get more tokens. You want to try so bad, don't you?
Nah, I think I'm gonna wait yet. We're gonna do it one more time. River Bones is going up.
You want that jackpot?
There he goes.
Too fast. It's too fast.
In other words, you got nothing, right?
He got nothing. He got 8 tickets.
You got 20 tickets for that.
What?
That's what happens when you got so much
He's going
muscle.
one more time. He's trying to figure out what's the after all about.
There goes.
Ah, too fast again. As it spins, it's building up momentum towards the end. You gotta hit it just so you can get past that 70.
He's going on to there. All right.
You wanna try this one?
All right, Raven Bones going to try a different game. It's going to call Play the Disney Chicken.
If he hits that green light, he gets the jackpot.
Yep. They ought to give him one for the coughing game. He wins. What the heck?
Oh, he gets 10 tickets.
He bucked out. He just went bucked out.
He gets 10 tickets. He's gonna try again.
He couldn't crack the egg with that one.
You're making him laugh. That's what's causing his
No,
coughing
let's
to
see if
come
he can
up.
crack an egg here.
Need some of that Ricola.
Come on, you can do it. What the hell was that?
Hold on, it might come back and tell him. Yeah, it's telling him to whack the ball. It's telling him it was too weak.
That got any whip here? What? I ain't never looking at that egg. Whoa.
You gotta aim for the green light. You gotta hit it harder. He goes one more time.
Alright, no, he's so dizzy, it's unreal. Give me another cough there. There, another one.
Oh, the green light changed to where he was aiming. The green light changed to where he normally is. Love it.
I think he ought to probably give up the way he's coughing. Okay, well, that's it for the Disney Chicken with Raven Bones and that. So until next game, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you then.